Indian geography. We'll start with. Okay, yes. Indian geography. Firstly, we will talk about the geographical location of India. Yes, geographical location. Okay, yes, geographical location, size and extent. Size and extent. Okay, geographical location, size and extent of India. Yes, geographical location, size and extent of India. So now, yes, what is the geographical location of India? Okay, yes. So where exactly the India is located? The Indian subcontinent. India is also called it as for some time. Okay, for some time. Okay. Yes. Yes. So India is also called as Indian subcontinent. Correct. So Indian subcontinent, Indian peninsula, Indian subcontinent. So Bharata Bhumi, and it is also called as Jambu Island, Jambu Dvipa. So here India has got many surnames, many synonyms, many synonyms. Okay, the reason is being India is also called as Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent. Why it is oftenly referred as Indian subcontinent? Yes. Why India is also referred as Indian subcontinent? Okay. One of the one of the. Okay, yes, occupies major portion of Asia. Yes, one of the reasons, And the physical division of India, the physical division of Asia, nothing but the Himalayas. The large physical division of Asia, that is nothing but Himalayas. It separates the India from the rest of the countries of Asia. So hence it is oftenly referred as Indian subcontinent. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಇತರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಬ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್. ನಂತರ ಎರಡನೇದು, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲಾ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲಾ. ಎಸ್, ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲಾ? What do you mean by peninsula? What do you mean by peninsula? A peninsula is nothing but a land body which is covered three side by water and only one side is connected with the land body. Yes, which we call it as peninsula. Okay, yes, peninsula. Yes. Okay, let me have a world map. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So this is India. So Asia, the one country, and this is, see, it is right side it is Bay of Bengal, left side it is Arabian Sea, and southern portion it is, yes, Indian Ocean. Okay, Indian Ocean. So nothing but a peninsula which is covered it three side by water and only one portion it is connected by land, which we call it as peninsula. Okay, yes, we call it as peninsula. Hence India is also referred as, yes, Indian peninsula. Then why it is called as Jambu Island? Jambu Island. Okay, Jambu Dvipa antanu karita hogtivi, Jambu Island. Why India is oftenly referred as the Jambu Island? Okay, if you look at the shape of the India, okay, yes, if you look at, yes, the southern portion, it resembles the fruit, that is jamun fruit. Okay, yes, nothing but ಪೇರಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, ನೇರಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಭೂಪ್ರದೇಶ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಆಫನ್ಲಿ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಜಂಬೂ ಐಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ರಿಸೆಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಫ್ರೂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಾಮೂನ್. Hence, it is also referred as Jambu Island. Okay, these are all the synonyms. That which we use for India. Okay, which we used for India. Yes, namely, yes, we call it as, okay, yes, Indian subcontinent. Okay, yes, and in peninsula. Okay, yes, Indian peninsula. Okay, yes, Indian peninsula, and it is Jambu. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, Jambu Island. Okay, yes, it is not. Okay, yes, Jambu. Okay, yes, Jambu Island. Okay, yes. Thank you. Okay, yes. So these are all the synonyms which we use to refer the Indian subcontinent. Okay, yes. Now, so now, firstly, we will talk about the geographical location. Okay, the geographical location of India. Okay, where exactly the India is situated in? Where exactly India is situated in? Okay, yes. We have discussed about latitudes and longitudes. Yeah. We have discussed about latitudes and longitudes. Yes. So on that basis, can you locate India where exactly it is located latitudinally and longitudinally? Uh huh. Uh huh. What? Okay, where India is located, the geographical location, latitudinally and longitudinally. Okay, so between the Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Uh huh. Okay. Yes. Now, which? Okay, fine. So which are the two major latitude and longitude? Okay, so this is okay. This is equator. Yes. So this is equator. Okay. Yes. This is equator, and this is prime meridian. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. India is located. Okay. So which hemisphere? Latitudinally in which hemisphere? Northern hemisphere, and longitudinally in which hemisphere? Eastern hemisphere. Yes, it is. India is located in northern and eastern hemisphere. Understood? Yes, northern and eastern hemisphere. So latitudinally, the major latitude which divides the earth into two equal parts, which we call it as equator, and the northern portion of the equator, it is northern hemisphere. Southern portion of the equator, it is southern hemisphere. And so one more major longitude which divides the earth vertically into two equal parts, the eastern part of the prime meridian, we call it as eastern hemisphere, and so western part of the prime meridian, we call it as western hemisphere. Yes. Now, so with the analysis of latitude, which we came to know that India is located in which hemisphere? It is in northern hemisphere. Yes, India is located in northern hemisphere, and this is southern hemisphere. Yes. Now, with the analysis of longitude, so India is located in which hemisphere? Eastern hemisphere. Yes. So India is located in northern part of eastern hemisphere. Okay, it is situated both in northern and eastern hemisphere. That is a geographical location. Okay, that is a geographical location of India. Okay, and if I want to talk in terms of latitudes and longitude, okay, each and every latitude assigned with a unique number. Yes, from 0 to 01 till we have 90 degree, and so even longitude also. Yes, 0 from 0 to we have 180. Yes. Now, so as far as Indian subcontinent is concerned, from which latitude to which latitude that is India is situated? Yes, latitudinally India is located. Yes, India is located from where to where? Yes, 8 degree, from 8 degree latitude to till uh-huh. Yes, 37 degree. Yes, from 8 degree latitude to 37 degree latitude. And longitudinally 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it starts with, yes, it starts with, okay, 68 to 97 degree. Yes, 68 to 97 degree. Okay, this is the geographical location of India. Yes, understood. So it is entirely lies in northern and eastern hemisphere, and latitudinally it stretches from, yes, 8 degree north to 68 degree north. Yes, 8 degree north to 68 degree north. Yes, and longitudinally it is lies between 37 degree east to 97 degree. Yes, 97 degree east. Understood? Okay, so this is the geographical location of India. Okay, yes, geographical location of India, latitudinally and longitudinally. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, latitudinally it is 8 degree 4 minute. Okay, so 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree, yes, 37 degree 6 minute, and 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So this is a geographical location of India, and it is India lies in India lies in, yes, northern and eastern hemisphere, northern and eastern hemisphere. Where are other people? And those two are the ones who applied for VAO and all those exams. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yes. 8 degree 4 minute. 8 degree 4 minute. This is 4 minute. We pronounced as minutes, and this represents minute. Okay. Yes. 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 Done. Okay. So now we will talk about the extreme points of India. Extreme points of India, nothing but the tips of India. Okay. Extreme points of India. Okay. So which is the northernmost point of India? Northernmost, southernmost, easternmost, and westernmost. Ah, yes. Which is the northernmost point of India? Okay, yes, Jammu Kashmir. Okay. Then which part of Jammu Kashmir? Yes. Uh-huh. Yes. See, so these are all the extreme points of India. Extreme points of India is the northernmost point of India is northernmost point of India. Northern part of India is Ladakh. Okay, it's Ladakh. Okay, yes. So and the northernmost point is we referred as, yes, Indira Col. Indira Col. This is the northernmost point. Northernmost point. And okay, I'll come to the southernmost point later. Okay, I'll come to the southernmost point later. Okay, which is the easternmost point of India? Easternmost point of India? Uh-huh. Which one? Easternmost state of India is Arunachal Pradesh. And which part of Arunachal Pradesh which makes the easternmost point? It is Kibithu. Okay, so Kibithu is the easternmost point of India. Okay, and so the westernmost point of India. Westernmost point of India, it is Gujarat. And the Gujarat, yes. So which part? Guhar Moti. And westernmost point is, so Gujarat na Sar Creek. Sar Creek. So in particular, it is Guhar Moti. Okay, Guhar Moti. Northernmost, easternmost, and westernmost. Okay, yes. Now I'll come to the southernmost. So southernmost point. So which is the southernmost point of India? Kanyakumari. Okay, Kanyakumari. Okay, so India ends here. Are you sure? India ends here. Then, then, yes, Andaman Nicobar. Yes. Now, if I draw a latitude of Kanyakumari, yes, India ends here. Are you sure? Okay, India ends here. Then which part belongs to? This particular part is belongs to which nation? Of course, it is also belongs to India. It is a part of Andaman Nicobar, and Andaman Nicobar it belongs to India. Okay, yes, it's a UT. It is also belongs to India. So now, so when it comes to southernmost point, you have to keep two things in mind. Okay, the southernmost point of Indian mainland, and southernmost point of the total India. Got my point? Okay, the southernmost point of Indian mainland. Okay, Indian mainland. The southernmost point of total India. Total India. It is Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, then what is the difference between Indian mainland and total India? Total area of India. Indian mainland only comprises of the states of India, excluding UTs. Excluding UTs. Got it? You got it? Yes. The Indian mainland, it's only comprises of the total 28 states of India only. Then, so what is the total area of India? It comprises the states and also the union territories, and also the area which may India conquer in future, which gonna conquer in future. Okay, so which we referred as the total area of India. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ. ದೆನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರಾಡಳಿತ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯುಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಶಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, yes. So now in that perspective, so the southernmost tip of the mainland of India is it is okay, it is which one? It is the state of Tamil Nadu and it is Kanyakumari, and in Kanyakumari it is Cape Comorin. Okay, so Cape Comorin, have they given? No, yes, it is, yeah. So they have given Vivekananda Rock Memorial. So which it is nothing but Cape Comorin. Yes, please. Cape Comorin is the southernmost tip of mainland of India. Southernmost tip of mainland of India. Okay, yes. Then, so which is the southernmost tip of total area of India? Indira? Yes, it is Indira Point. And it is where it is located? It's located in the Andaman, the UT Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, yes, Andaman ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ನ UT ಆದಂತಹ ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ನ, yes. So Andaman ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಕೋಬಾರ್ನ, so ಯಾವುದು Indira Point. Indira Point, it is the southernmost tip of India. Yes, got it? Okay, so these are all the extreme points of India. Extreme points of India. Make a note. Make a note. Yes. Yes, northernmost. Okay, yes, make a note. So make it as northernmost. Yes, northernmost point of India, and as it is, okay, southernmost point of India and easternmost point of India. So make a note. Make a note. And so the highlight the portion that is Indian mainland and the total area of India. The total area of India. Okay, yes, Indian mainland and total area of India. One sorry, note. Leave some space. And this is Cape Comorin. Okay, yes, it is Cape Comorin. Okay, and this is Cape Comorin. Finished? Why absent? Absent for 2 days. One day, la? Why? Uh huh. Okay, okay. You were also absent yesterday. Okay. Are done? Finished? Yes. Okay. So let's move further. Let's move further. Okay. Yes. Then extreme points of India. Yes. Extreme points of India. Yes. Then. Okay. Yes. Then. So this is about the geographical location. Geographical location of India. Then what is the size of India? Okay. Yes. Size. Okay. Yes. Yes. The size of India. Yes. So what is the area from north to south? Okay. Yes. North to south and east to west. From east to west. What? Yes, the size of India from north to south it is 3,214 kilometers. Okay, 3,214 kilometers. Okay, from north to south. And so from east to west it is 33 kilometers. Yes, it is 2,933 kilometers. Now, India, if I consider the map of India, okay, yes. So this is from north to south it is 3,214 kilometers, and from east to west, from here to here, it is 2,933 kilometers. Okay, so this is the size of India. Then, what is the total area of India? Okay, so what is the total area? Okay, yes, the total area. Yes, it is. Okay, 32 lakh. Okay, 263 kilometers. Okay, 32,000, 32 lakh 87,263 kilometers is the total area of India. So which makes, okay, which comprises of 2.4% of the total land. Total land, 2.4% of the total land. Okay, so 2.4% of the total land, and so which is I mean, so the largest country. So which makes the, I mean, ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು country in terms of area? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Seventh. Yes, are you sure? Uh-huh. Yes, which is the seventh largest country by area. Seventh largest by area. Uh-huh. Yes, sorry. Okay, square kilometers. Okay, it is square kilometers. So sorry. Okay, yes, it is square kilometers. Yeah, it is square kilometers. 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. Okay, and which is the 2.4% of the total land, and which makes the seventh largest country of the world. Okay, seventh largest country in the world. Yes, seventh largest country in the world. Yes, so this is about the geographical location, size. Okay, size and extent. Okay, yes, size and extent of India. Okay, yes, the size extent of India. Okay, yes, now we will talk about the land border of India. Okay, so land border. Okay, yes, land border. Okay, land border of India. Yes, land border of India. Okay, yes, India has, hmm, India shares its land border with how many countries? Okay, yes. So now India shares a its land border with 7 countries. Okay, India shares its land border with 7 countries, and so okay, so they are they are okay. So right from, so we'll start with left. Okay, yes, it is with, so Pakistan. Okay, then Pakistan, then it is Afghanistan. Yes, it is second country. Then yes, it is China, third one. Then Nepal, it's a fourth one. Then Bhutan, yes, it is fifth one. Myanmar, yes, it is sixth one. Okay, then Bangladesh, it is seventh one. Okay, so Bangladesh, it's the seventh country. Okay, India shares its land border with its neighbor countries. Then what about Sri Lanka and Maldives? Do we share a land border with Sri Lanka and Maldives? Do we really share a land border with Sri Lanka and Maldives? Little, we have little bit connection. Okay, yes. Uh-huh. Adams Bridge. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Yes. Any connection? Yes. Do we really do not share a land border with these two countries, Sri Lanka and so Maldives? But so they are our neighbor countries. So when it comes to the neighbor countries of India, yes, along with these 7 countries, we also consider the Sri Lanka as well as the Maldives as our neighbor countries. But these two countries never shares a land border with India. Okay, land border with India. Okay, yes. Now here, so the total land border. Okay, so the total land border of India is the total land border of India right from Pakistan to till so Bangladesh. It is 15,200 kilometers. The total land border of India, the total land border of India. So from here to here, yes, from here to here, it is 15,200 kilometers. Yes, then out of 15,200 kilometers, yes, India shares. Okay, so India shares its maximum land border with which country? Yes, India shares its maximum length of land border with which country? Bangladesh. And shortest land border with, yes, it is with Afghanistan. Do we really share a land border with? Do we really directly share a land border with Afghanistan? No, not really. We indirectly shares a land border with Afghanistan because yes, yes. Why? Yes, why we are not directly shares a land border with Afghanistan? And Afghanistan, it comes here. Yes, this is Pakistan and this is Afghanistan, and this is, we have POK. Yes, so POK. So this is POK. So Afghanistan is here, but so POK is nothing but Pakistan occupied Kashmir. But our demand is, so India, this particular nothing but the Kashmir, the Jammu and Kashmir. We urge the Jammu and Kashmir. It's an integral part of India. In that context, yes, so we indirectly shares a land border with Afghanistan. We indirectly shares a land border with Afghanistan, right? So and of course, entire Kashmir, India claims in any global platform for that matter, India claims the Jammu and Kashmir, it's an integral part of India. So in that context, so we do share an indirect land border with Afghanistan, right? Okay, so now the borderlines. Okay, borderlines. The land border of India and Pakistan is called as, the land border of India and Pakistan is called as what? Uh huh. Yes. Indo-Pak land border. Sir Radcliffe. Yes, Sir Radcliffe. The India and Pakistan land border, we call it as Radcliffe. Then the land border of India and Afghanistan, Durand line. Yes, we call it as Durand line. Yes, then what about the Indo and China land border? India and China land border, we call it as McMahon. Yes, Sir McMahon line anta karita ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so this is some of the land borders. Okay, land borders and names of the land border line. Okay, yes, got it. Hmm? Okay, so land border of India, yes, total land border of India is, total land border of India is 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers. And yes, India shares India shares land border with land border with 7 countries. Okay, yes, 7 countries. 7 countries. Okay, and highest with, yes, okay, yes, Bangladesh, then it is China, then it is Pakistan. Okay, yes. Then Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan. Okay, yes, Nepal. So Myanmar, then Bhutan, and it is Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Okay, yes. So highest and shortest. Okay, yes, 7 countries. So and it is the highest. Okay, I have so written in their descending order le bardidini according to their land border, according to their land border sharing. Yes, I have written down. Done. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yes. Then it is Indo-Pak. Okay, yes, Indo-Pak border. Then it is Indo-Afghan border. Indo-Afghan border. Then it is also that is Indo-China border. Indo-China border. Yes, it is Sir Radcliffe. And this is Afghan border. That is Duran. Okay, so Duran line, and it is McMahon. And this is McMahon line. McMahon line. Wake him up. Uh huh. So sleeping. Huh? So early in the morning. Huh? Having such a nice sleep. Huh? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ. Yes. All right. Yes. Okay. Yes. Then, then coastal border of India. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, yes. Coastal border of India. Yes. Coastal border of India. India is a peninsula. Yes, India is a peninsula. Means what? It is covered three side by water and one side by land. So hence it is has India has got the coastal border. So in both the sides. So which we call it as east coast and which we call it as the eastern part of coast of India we call it as east coast, and western part of Indian coast we call it as west coast. Okay, and the total coastal border of India is okay. Yes, yes. Okay, so how many states has got coastal border? ಕರಾವಳಿ ತೀರವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? Okay, they are okay. Yes, Gujarat, Maharashtra, then Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. Yes, yes. Then yes. So nine states. Okay, yes, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Yes. So nine state of India has got coastal borders. Okay, coastal border. Then how much? So what is the distance? So I mean, what is the length of coastal border of India? Yes, it is. It is around 11,000. It is around 11,000. Earlier, it was just 7,000 kilometers. Earlier, it was just 7,000 kilometers. And the previous year, in the year of 2025, the Indian coast border, India, the coastline of India has been increased, and it is almost doubled because now the earlier measurement would be so very analog. I mean, so in analog way, now the measurement has been takes place, the digital measurement has been taken place. Hence the coastal border of India has doubled from 7,000 to 11,000. And the state which has got the highest coastline of India, the state highest coastline of India is, which state has highest coastline of India? Longest coastline of India? It's the state of Gujarat. Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat is the, so Gujarat has got the longest coastline in India. It is a state with longest coastline. Yes. Then second one, second one, second one it is Andhra Pradesh, and third one it is Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. So these three are the state which has got the longest coastline in India. Okay, longest coastline in India. And so when if I talk about the UT, which UT has got the longest coastline in India? Uh-huh. It is Andaman and Nicobar. Yes, it is Andaman and Nicobar. So it is a UT which has got the longest coastline in India. Okay, understood. Okay, yes, that is coastline of India. Okay, yes, the coastline of India. Okay, yes, total coastline of India is 11,330 kilo. Okay, 11,000 something. Okay, and the states has coastal border. There are nine. Okay, yes, states, nine states. Okay, yes, nine states, and highest, yes, it is Gujarat. Okay, yes, Gujarat, then it is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. And UT, yes, it is Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar is the UT with the highest, with the longest coastline in India. Okay, longest coastline in India. Done? Yes. This is some of the fundamentals of India, the fundamentals. Okay. So now, before we move further for a physical division, we will have some political divisions. Okay. So political divisions. Okay. India has got how many states? 28. Then what about UTs? Okay. Yes. So 28 states and 8 UTs. Okay. So do you know their respective locations and their respective capitals? Yeah. Are you aware of the entire map of India? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? The geographical location of states? Yes. Yes. So without before ನೀವು ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಲೈಕ್ KS or UPSC aspirant, you must aware of the Indian map, nothing much. So which state is located in which part and their capitals. Okay, so ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಸೊ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಓಕೆ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏಷ್ಯಾದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಓಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಪಾಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಬೇಸ್, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಎಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಎಸ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. Okay, yes, political division. Okay, yes, political division. Okay, yes, political divisions of India. Yes, states. Okay, yes, total number of states. Okay, then UTs. Okay, yes, states 28, then UTs. Okay, so which are they? 8 UTs. Okay, Ladakh. Okay, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. Okay, very good. Okay, Delhi, Chandigarh. Okay, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Diu and Daman. Okay, Pondicherry. Then Lakshadweep. Then Andaman Nicobar. Now Dadra Nagar Haveli, Diu and Daman, are they different UTs now? No, all these Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Diu and Daman, earlier they used to be the separate UTs. Now recently the government of India has renamed, so the merge all these a small island into a single island, that these two islands together makes the single island. Right? Understood? Okay, so then the total number of UTs in India are okay, yes, 8 UTs. And do you know the respective capitals? Okay, Lakshadweep, the capital of Lakshadweep, it is Kavaratti. Yes, Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair. Yes, and Delhi, Chandigarh. Yes, Puducherry. Puducherry. Yes, then this one, Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar. Yes, Ladakh, Leh. Okay, it is Leh. It is not La, it is Leh. Okay, yes. So total number of states. Okay. So now, so largest states. Okay, largest by area. Okay, so largest by area. Yes. Okay, largest. Okay, yes. Then largest by population. Largest by area, largest by population. Then smallest by area, smallest by population. Smallest by area, then okay, yes, smallest by population. Yes, do let me know. Okay, largest by area, yes, it is Rajasthan. Then second one is Madhya Pradesh. Yes, very good. Then yes, it is Maharashtra. Okay, yes, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So these three are the largest states by area. Largest states by area. Okay, yes. Smallest by area. Yes, Goa. Okay, Goa. Yes, then. Okay, yes, Sikkim and Tripura. Okay, yes, it is Sikkim and Tripura. Okay, yes, Tripura. Okay, then, so largest by population. UP. Then largest. Yes, UP. Maharashtra. Yes, it is Bihar. Okay. Yes. Then smallest by population. Yes. Uh, Sikkim, Mizoram. Okay. Yes, Sikkim, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh. And this statistics varies. This is the statistics of which census? 2011. Okay, 2011 census, according to the 2011 census. Now the census, the process of census has been conducting and it's ongoing. Once if it is updated, you have to consider that data. Okay, until and unless the data is released officially by the government of India, you must follow this, you must follow the data of 2011 census. Understood? So by default you have to consider the data, the statistics of 2011 census, until and unless they emphasize or they asked according to the recent news, according to the recent report. Yes, until and unless use these phrases. The examiner uses these phrases. By default, it must be the data of 2011 census. Got it? Yes. So not only this, so all the census data, for example, population density, sex ratio, literacy rates, urban population, yes, rural population, yes, all these aspects you must consider the data of the 2011 census. Yes, done? Okay. So this is about the political divisions of India. So now we will emphasize on physical division of India. Okay, the physical division of India. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is physical division of India. Yes. So the physical division of India. Okay, yes. Nothing but okay. So what do you mean by physical division of India? Hmm. Yes, physical division, nothing but relief features of India. We say relief features of India. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಹೌದು, ಒಂದು ಭೂಸ್ವರೂಪ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಭೂಸ್ವರೂಪ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗಳು ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೊಪಾಗ್ರಫಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ? We discussed under the physical division of India. Okay, yes. So now let's see the physical divisions of India. Okay, yes, they are. Mhm. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ದ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, okay, yellow portion, this part of India, yes, is nothing but we call it as northern mountains. Okay, northern mountains. Okay, it's a okay ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಾರತದ ಈ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನಂತರ ದೆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಒನ್, Okay, yes, we categorized as northern plain. Okay, not only this, yes, the entire section of this India, so we call it as which, what one? That is northern plains. Okay, yes, northern plain. And so when it comes to desert, it is also a part of plain. It is also a part of plain, but we discuss differently. So differently in the sense, of course, so now desert agidana discuss anna ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, but of course this is also a part of plain ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು. Okay, okay. ನಂತರ ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ then the third one is, okay, third is, yes, it is the Deccan Plateau. Yes, nothing but which we call it as okay, Peninsular Plateau. And the third physical division of India is Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. And the fourth one is, okay, yes, fourth one is, so this one is, okay, yes, it is coastal plain. Okay, yes, coastal plain. Okay, coastal plain. Then it is, we also have islands. We also have islands. These are all the different physical divisions. Majorly we consider the 5 physical division. Yes, so ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Why we call it as northern north ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, these particular physical divisions which occupies the northern portion of India, hence they are, so we have included the prefix that is north. We are indicating the direction of Indian portion. Okay, yes, so hence it is northern mountains, okay, northern plain and peninsular plateau. Then it is coastal plain, coastal. Then it is, we have islands. These are all the 5 physical divisions of India. And of course, between peninsular plateau and coastal, we have ghats. We have ghats. We discuss it later. Okay, we discuss it later. But as of now, so have an idea. The major physical division of India is, okay, yes, it is, okay, yes, northern mountains. Okay, yes, okay, yes, northern plains, boys, peninsular plateau. Then it is coastal plain, and this is, and the fifth one is islands, and the fifth one is islands. These are all the 5 important physical divisions that India is made up of. India is made up of. Okay, yes. Now, out of all these 5 physical divisions, which part of India, so which physical division of India is largely distributed in India? Yes, correct. So have you noticed? Okay, yes, have you noticed? Out of 5 physical divisions of India, the largely distributed portion of India is which one? It is the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau, it is the largest as well as the oldest physical division of India. Is Peninsular Plateau. And how much? How much? It occupies almost the 50% of the Indian land, Indian subcontinent. Okay, so Peninsular Plateau, it is the largest as well as the oldest landform of India, which occupies around so half of the Indian subcontinent. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಶೇಕಡ 50% ಅಷ್ಟು ಭೂಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಆವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, that is Peninsular Plateau. All right, yes, then which is the second one? The second one is plains. Okay, the second largest largely distributed landform or physical division or relief feature of India is plains, and it occupies around 43% of Indian subcontinent land, total land of India. It occupies around 50% of the total land of India, so Peninsular Plateau. And when it comes to plains, it occupies, and this is the second largest, so and it occupies around 43% of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, so then what about mountains? It is the third largest. Okay, it is the third largest landform of India, which occupies around 10.7% of the total land of India. Okay, 10.7% of the total land of India. Okay, yes. And the fourth one is, okay, so fourth one is ghats, and fifth one is coastal plain, and sixth one it is islands. Okay, yes. Yes, largest. Okay, yes, largest, second largest, second largest, and it is 10.7%. 10.7%, and this is the third largest, third largest, third largest. Okay, yes. Now, so now we will discuss. Okay, now we will discuss each and every physical division in detail. In detail. Okay, yes. Okay.